Hey guys, and welcome back to Misha's Corner. So today I'll be making a spicy catfish po' boy. So let's get started. I can make all dressings from scratch, but I make things a lot easier for my subscribers. I got this bottled Lighthouse coleslaw dressing. I got this from the Kroger supermarket, and it tastes really good. I really like it. It's a perfect balance of sweet, to go with the spicy catfish that we're making. And this is the coleslaw mix that I have right here. I'm not adding any other vegetables but this coleslaw mix. You can add some onions or whatever you want to. I'm also going to go in here with some pepper, salt, and apple cider vinegar. To me, I feel like this is a tad sweet, and I like my dressings a tiny bit more sharp. So that's why I'm adding the apple cider vinegar, but of course you do not have to. So to my bowl, I'm gonna add I'm gonna start with about a half a cup of my dressing, pepper, my apple cider vinegar. I'm gonna start with maybe a tablespoon or so at a time. At the same time, you don't want it to be too thin either. So, and salt, because we all know the vegetables are not seasoned. You're gonna mix this up. We're gonna add the mix and then put it in the refrigerator so it could chill while we season the fish. I added my cabbage down in here. For whatever reason, I can't mix in this bowl while holding the phone. But the dressing that I put down in here was pretty much perfect. This looks like about a cup and a half of the cabbage mix out the bag. And then, as you know, a half a cup of that dressing, a couple tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, salt and pepper, and it's perfect. So I'm going to mix this in and put it in the refrigerator so it can chill until we're ready to use it. Guys, so for our egg wash, we're going to use some hot sauce, chili sauce, whatever hot you have in the house. I have gochujang, and that's what I'm using. That's what I'm going to put in here. You also want to use some salt. We're seasoning all layers. And some pepper. Yes, it's spicy. And this is only step one. We got 2 other steps before we even fry the fish. Alright, so I'm having technical difficulties, but this is cayenne that I'm adding to my catfish fillets. I got them from H-E-B. I'm now going to add some black pepper. This is going to add flavor and heat, both of them, and some salt. That's all that's going here. You want to keep this nice and simple and easy. You don't want to add too much flavor to the fish because everything is being seasoned. You don't want to over season your fish and ruin the sandwich. Alright guys, so to bring more flavor and more heat, I have some chopped up finely diced Serrano chilies right here. These are what they look like. They're in the pepper aisle just as well as other peppers. This is the Serrano chili pepper. Remember, all ingredients will be on my website and the link will be listed below. Now over here I have panko breadcrumbs. Did I need this big old bowl? No. But I needed something with a wide surface. So that's why I'm using this one. And then to this I'm going to add some pepper. Some black pepper. Some salt. And you're going to add your chilies right down in here. You're going to mix this up to coat it really well, and then now we're gonna start dredging our fish. Alright guys, so I have my station set up and ready to go. Over here you have the catfish that I dusted with some flour because you want it to adhere to the egg, which is gonna adhere to your panko breadcrumbs. So you're gonna take your fish that you've dusted with flour, you're gonna put it down into your hot sauce egg mixture. Make sure you coat it really well because we're not double dipping this. So, and then you're gonna prop it down right into your panko and Serrano chili mixture. Make sure you guys can see that. You want to really press the panko down in there so it can stick. We're not going to fry this right away. We want it to sit and chill out for at least 5 minutes so it can really cake on there. And I'm going to do the other one, and then we're going to fry the fish. Preheat your oven to, I guess you could use the broiler or put it on 400 to toast your bread up. and then we're just gonna put it all together and be done. All right, guys, so I have my fish in my oil getting nice and crispy and fried. Once it's golden brown on both sides, they're pretty much done. Fish doesn't take a long time to cook. I already have my bread under the broiler for a couple of minutes, and now we're just going to put it together. Guys, how perfectly fried is this catfish fillet? Look how crispy that is. Okay, so I toasted my bread, add some mayo, add my tomatoes. This fish is clearly wider than my bread, which is a baguette that I got out the HEB supermarket. But we're still gonna make it work. I'm still putting that whole fillet on top of this bread, so yeah. Guys, look how amazing. I gotta get up close and personal with this sandwich. Look how perfect this sandwich looks. And it was so easy, so simple, and not that many ingredients at all. As you guys know, you can season your fish in your dredging station however you prefer. You don't just have to use those simple ingredients, you know, but this is just a method. So I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I can't wait to dig in. The fish is nice and crispy. The bread is nice and toasted. The coleslaw is amazing. I hope you guys give it a try. If you do, tag me and let me know what you think. And I'll see you next time on my next video. Bye, guys.